Lego Duplo Farm by DK Books. This happy farmer has a farm. Come and meet his animals. Oink! This little pig likes to play. Ba! This noisy sheep bleats all day. Meow! This cat likes to climb an apple tree. Moo! Let's count the cows. 1, 2, 3. Who is this climbing around? It's a goat. Here's a horse and his foal. One wears a coat. This chicken wakes up early and clucks. Cluck, cluck. Down at the pond are two little ducks. 1, 2. The farmer's dog has a toy to chase. Two long-eared rabbits like to hop and race. Hop, hop. Chuck, chuck. The busy farmer drives a tractor to get around. The farmer's friends keep the animals safe and sound.